What's up Saab fans around the world, and welcome back to another video. So today we are going to unbox the latest addition to my Saab collection, and this is of course my collection from DNAcollectibles. So let's just start with unboxing this and see what we could find inside. So we got a little roof right there, might be a convertible. And it is. So this is the latest addition to my collection, and this is the 2003 Saab 93 convertible, and it's an Aero model. And this car comes in 3 different colors. So I picked the lime yellow, which I think is like one of the most epic colors that came this year. And this car is also available in black and chili red metallic, but I think this color right here is just stunning. So this is a really nice piece and addition to my other cars. Really nice. So we are going to flip to a montage, and I will show you this car together with my other cars. That's it for this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it, and the collection is growing. So many amazing and unique Saabs on this table right here, and I don't know, what's your favorite out of these cars, or would you have chosen a different color on any of these? Please comment down below. I think I have my favorites, but I'm not really sure, but the sports combi is really amazing. The white one I got right now, as it looks like the Aero. I have the turbines and I have the panoramic sunroof. The sports combi I have as well, but a different color and not with the sunroof. The convertible I have had, but not the real vegan. And these other two I have not owned yet. and this will be a hard one to get the VIG in. But anyways, please leave a comment down below, give the video a thumbs up, please check out DNAcollectibles.com, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!